Management from Bulozi TV.
I really want to push my career of becoming a news writer, and I really thank the Bulozi TV for giving me this opportunity, because I have been dreaming of this for quite long now.
The internship training will run for 1 month, and the director has assured that by the end of the training, some of the students will receive employment opportunities on internship basis at Bulozi TV. Nchimonyasi Aminwe, Bulozi TV News, Mongu, Western Province.
Mwina spula bakopano ya UPND Bulozi bo kapelwa MBANGWETA ngahanilita baza kuli limembala za kopano yebusa batamahani kwa mifilifili ya kutaseza baipapati kuba baiteleri banaha makopano ya NRPUP kutalusa kuli litabaze kizabuhata bo MBANGWETA bakupile mapokola kuinga LIPATISISO KUAMANA nitaba ona yeo yezalile mwa security sa LUAMPA batalusize kuli batu babapira mu Bulozi babile ni kozo falili mozengata mi abaswaneli kutali mwaka kuba batu ba MIFILIFILI baikelize kufapizo kwa likopano kaufela kweza buipapati babona kalikute ni kakulatelela mulao.
A few days ago, video circulated on social media from Kaoma and LUAMPA districts showing residents expressing support for National Reconciliation Party for Unity and Prosperity NRPUP presidential candidate Brian MUNDUBILE.
Tuomba telako tunakutonda mangana tuchinje tunakutonda MUNDUBILE tunahono kukana UPND tunakutonda mangana tukale kuna change tumone na vika na viva natuomba telako wa MUNDUBILE.
Nibauna MUNDUBILE Brian mufite wa LUAMPA umilibelezi kwanu hakuna lilata hakuna balwana hakunani umilibelezi sauti uto kwa manzwi omushimeze sichaba
hakuna no balwana ngabatili ntoye kibola kachoni iziki mumu kamusape iziki mumu chelo atabele bataye nibona MUNDUBILE bataye to babona zwato rushimbezi rutoli amuhera nibona
andamela kuno kityaba kwa shamabwe ndibalinga bata yetukuno tubahimo mwije ngata kumimo
However, the situation appeared to take a different turn when the presidential candidate and his campaign team arrived in Western Province to continue their campaigns. MUNDUBILE and his team were attacked shortly after arriving in the districts of Kaoma and LUAMPA. Meanwhile, UPND Western Province chairperson Kapelwa MBANGWETA has dismissed allegations that members of the ruling party were responsible for the attacks on Mr. MUNDUBILE and his campaign team.
Western Province has consistently remained one of Zambia's most peaceful provinces. The province has conducted in the region of 14 by-elections since August 2021 to date without any major instance of political violence, reflecting the peaceful character of our people and our commitment to democratic values. As UPND Western Province, we remain committed to preserving the peace and unity for which our province is renowned. We urge all political parties and their supporters to reject violence, respect the rule of law, and ensure that political competition is based on ideals, policies, and safe to the people. We have also noted reports and circulating videos alleging that individuals believed to be supporters of the National Reconciliation Party for Unity and Prosperity discharged firearms during the incident in LUAMPA district on Tuesday, 4th August 2026. Western Province has never been associated with the culture of political violence or the use of firearms in political activities. We therefore call upon the Zambia Police Service to thoroughly investigate these allegations, establish the facts, and ensure that anyone found to have broken the law is brought to justice.
The attacks have since drawn public attention as political parties continue campaigning ahead of the August 13 general election, with stakeholders continuing to urge political players and their supporters to uphold peace and conduct issue-based campaigns. Mike Moya, reporting for Bulozi TV News, Western Province.
Baba ipapata kwetelela na Zambia makopano ya National Reconciliation Party for Unity and Prosperity NRPUP kapukusani bo Brian MUNDUBILE baitamile kutali mafata ba YEBILE TENI fanako yetelele ya kusafiwa hande likute kwa manduna bali lalo mwa Bulozi. Kwa mbola kanako yeo ne bapotezi litunga wa Bulozi bo MUNDUBILE batalusize kuli muso wa NRPUP ukabereka ni mulonga wa Barose Royal Establishment kuli baiteleri balizo bafiwe likute bao batalusizwe kuli banyenyefazwa ahulu. Baiketize hape kusepsa mulonga wa Barose Royal Establishment katama hano yabona ya kusa itamalika zeo habana kuweza asamulaho waliketisa kono zeo balela kutiseza chaba sa Bulozi kakutala.
I'm aware that under traditional governance, all Silalo Indunas such as Nawasilundu, Nalubutu, Bibumbu, Kabila Mwandi, Namutwi, Mundale, Nalonge, Litungu, Litungi, Ishe Wambutu, and others are treated as ordinary Ndunas, yet they are classified as chiefs on government national registration cards. My government will correct this inconsistency by offering the VRE formal recognition of these Silalo Ndunas as chiefs within the BRE structure, so that they may equally benefit from government support provided to chiefs also.
Vomwina spula vaskwata sesiongaonga. Okay? Vomwina spula vaskwata sesiongaonga lizazi la tukuluho ya babihi mamongu bo Davis Scopo ba fitize pizo kwa babihi kuba ni maseme na aisutelera kwaliketsa za na mungerere. Mwangambolo ni Bulozi TV voskopo baize babihi baswanela kuyema faniti ni kubona kuli makande ebasanya ashimba maikuto kumanyi ni manyi kusina silibonda vaikelize kutalusa kuli babihi baswanezi kusebeza amoho ni mapokola kutusa kukufaza misunga mwanako ya liketisa.
We would love to say that, this particular time is a very critical time, for one to operate as a journalist or to work as a journalist because of, the elections. And we know that the elections are very critical. And sometimes, tension comes about, with elections. As we have seen that, a number of, violent activities have been recorded across the country. Lusaka, Copper Belt, Northwest and Western now, and other places such as Kaputa, Southern and other places. So journalists are very critical in terms of bringing out the truth, so that they don't escalate this particular tension amongst rival political parties. So journalists should report objectively and of course stick to the fair practice of writing news. And also journalists should also work hand in hand with the Zambia police, because obviously we know that the police are the authority in that particular aspect of giving what transpired at what particular place, so that journalists do not carry one-sided stories. So let us work together with the police and report effectively and of course objectively, and also sticking to the truth, and also getting both sides. If it is this particular side that maybe is accusing the other side, let us not just write one-sided story, but let us get the other side of the story as well, so that even as we report, we do not escalate some of these things, but we try to cool down the tension amongst different entities or different institutions of politics.
Lukaishu musa ainyani mi haluka kuta lukazela pili matukso yaluna.
Not long ago, many children in Zambia did not go to school because their parents could not afford it. Today, 2.5 million children are back in the classroom, sitting on desks and being fed nutritious meals under the school feeding program. Markets are now peaceful with no cadre violence. Clinics stand where there were none. We did that together. Across Zambia, people are saying the same thing. We are on the right path. We are moving forward. Not without struggle, but always forward. There's still much work ahead, jobs to create, futures to secure. And that's why Bali keeps working day after day. Because just as we delivered free education, we will keep delivering. For every child still waiting and every family still rising. Until progress is something every Zambian feels. We've started the change. Now let's finish the job. On the 13th of August 2026, vote for Hakainde Hichilema as President of the Republic of Zambia. And let us continue to move Zambia forward together.
Mongo Trades Training Institute, an institution under the Ministry of Technology and Science, is inviting applications from suitably qualified and experienced persons to fill the positions of lecturer in the following fields: Business Department, Lecturer, Communication Skills, Minimum Qualifications and Experience, Grade 12 Certificate with 5 credits or better including English and Mathematics, Bachelor of Arts with Education or equivalent with majors in Communication, Linguistics, minimum of 2 years teaching experience, teaching methodology for qualification without education. Knowledge of local languages will be an added advantage. TEVETA accreditation is a must. Lecturer, Human Resource Management, Grade 12 Certificate with 5 credits or better, including English and Mathematics, degree in Human Resource Management, Public Administration or equivalent, teaching methodology qualification, minimum of 2 years teaching experience. TEVETA accreditation is a must. Lecturer, Business Administration, minimum qualifications and experience, Grade 12 Certificate with 5 credits or better including English and Mathematics, degree in Business Administration or equivalent, teaching methodology qualification, minimum of 2 years teaching experience. TEVETA accreditation is a must. Technical Department, Lecturer, General Agriculture, Grade 12 Certificate with 5 credits or better, including English and Mathematics, degree in Agriculture Science, minimum of 2 years teaching experience, teaching methodology. TEVETA accreditation is a must. Lecturer, Aquaculture, minimum qualifications and experience, Grade 12 Certificate with 5 credits or better, including English and Mathematics, degree or diploma in aquaculture or equivalent, minimum of 2 years teaching experience, teaching methodology. TEVETA accreditation is a must. Note: all qualifications must be certified by the Zambia Qualifications Authority. Age limit not more than 45 years. Females are highly encouraged to apply. Application guidelines: qualified and interested candidates should submit a cover letter, curriculum vitae, academic and professional qualifications, NRC, and any other relevant documents to mttijobs@gmail.com, or physically apply by dropping the application at the main campus, Mongo. The last day of receiving applications will be 12th August 2026. The application should be addressed to the principal, Mongo Trades Training Institute, PO Box 910167, Mongo. Only shortlisted candidates will be contacted.
In every celebration, there's a simple choice being made: to belong. Count me in. In moments of love and promises for tomorrow, count me in. At the checkout line, in the middle of an ordinary day, a reminder that every number matters. Count me in. Across our communities, our streets, the same message finds us. Count me in. From the everyday worker to the hands shaping our future every day, the call is the same. Count me in. And around the traditions that bring us together, the message becomes impossible to ignore. Count me in.
This election season, your vote counts. Get your NRC and voters card ready.
Count me in.
luitumezi kuinanunami lwaikeza vaipapati kuyemelana likwanda mwandu ya milawo fakopano ya United Party for National Development UPND kapukusani vosi vote vaitamile kweza vuipapato bwakozo bobuyemi familelo ya zolopili mwaliketsa za unomwaha kwambola kwa mukopano wa vuipapate mwana likwanda fa pumulo vosi vote vaize havana kuikenya mwalitava za kushendaula yana avanga muyemele wana likwanda mwandu ya milawo vaize kuli batukufalezi kuyahafa mutomo otomilwe kale mi vakabona kuli zolopili yafita mwalilalanda kaufela za sivaka sana likwanda
nalumela kuli nasho mutakalyo kono nibona kulingana nililato mwenda lishunguti nikupatuso kana ni palezuku ya maparlamenti nene batanga kuya maparlamenti kono amuni tuse nina amuni tawule myoko amuni nope ni mwanange babamu ni otwa munkone ba utule bolungwangwa oba utule bokalumiana oba utule bokondwa mutompe kona simunji saluna kikutoekeza fo basiyezi isinkunyaza bene balubusa komla Onda tebwaka indene bafile simu mapulu kumulikana kakamofu kuli alime na alimile mwa 2021 uwa musipili Jesu unipotezi nina waka indene boma bayupendi banu upuzi kuli banifile kwa mapulu aluba sikuli nina nilime kwekeza kwa simu ya sile kamofu nilu unafaluko palelo hape baba mbana likwanda bana hape bafiwa kwekeza dotana kakuli kimusebezi wazwelo pili kwe mupiki sipula za watu nesihizi kwa siyowe basi kutamaloma wati njake chwalo baitumela wakainde bainzi kwa State House abako nikutofitanga kodo na kukafa kono bana nikuba ni batu baba bayemera kwana kubonda kuli CDF yata kutoegeza kwa mandu wa malutifa basika anagula kwa mikopani wa bashunguta kono batile lwaitumela ema ikota rutinya ntuyonga kapili kono nibona nitalima nibona bishinkwafa bana bonda tekiva nibona kuli mulilo wotukawo yola kwa jila 13 August
likolo la babancha nilipapali litalusakuli muso wa kopano ya United Party for National Development UPND kapukusani ukonie kufamata kwa babancha kuhulisa kalulo ya lipapali ni kutiseza kalulo ya bunangu mwalili moze lizoho zeferile kwa mbola kwa babihi ba Makande matolopo ya Lusaka vangoli babahulu vokangwa chileshe baize babancha bafitelela palo ya 3.3 million bafumani lituso kwa muso me bafitelela 13,000 bafumani lituto za panga mwa maitutelo amancha afumane hamanaha lote bochileshe hape baize kalulo ya lipapali mwanaha ikonile kuhula ni kuzibahala kwali naha za uchabela mi squata sana ha Zambia skoni kufumana limendulu zefitelela 1000 kapalo mwahala silimo sa 2022 kufita 2025 haili pali bambola vo Barbara Banda ni Rachel Kundananji babeile na fama pa yalifasi bakensabu chaziva wabona.
The Ministry of Youth, Sports and Arts says the United Party for National Development UPND administration has made significant strides in empowering young people, developing sports and strengthening the creative industry over the past 5 years. Speaking during a media briefing in Lusaka, Permanent Secretary Kangwa Chileshe said more than 3.3 million youths have benefited from the government empowerment programs, while over 13,000 young people have acquired vocational and entrepreneurial skills through youth resource centers across the country.
The new government has consistently demonstrated that youth development, sports development, and the creative economy are not peripheral sectors. They are center pillars of national development economic diversification, and social transformation. This vision is reflected in increased investments, stronger institutional partnerships, policy reforms, infrastructure development, and targeted empowerment programs that are expanding opportunities for young people across the 10 provinces of Zambia.
Mr. Chileshe also said Zambia's sports sector has continued to excel internationally, with Team Zambia winning over 1,000 medals between 2022 and 2025, while athletes such as Barbara Banda and Rachel Kundananji have elevated the country's global profile.
The achievements of our athletes are being complemented by deliberate government investment in sports infrastructure, talent identification, coach development, and athlete welfare. The groundbreaking ceremonies for the construction of the modern multi-sport facilities in Kaputa and Monze, the rehabilitation of National Hero Stadium, the review of the Sports Council of Zambia Act, and the strengthened partnerships with sporting federations all point to one clear objective, which is to create an environment where talent can flourish from grassroots to elite competition.
In the arts sector, he said government funding has increased from 600,000 in 2022 to 27 million in 2026, enabling more than 3,000 artists to receive training and over 2,000 to access social security through NAPSA.
That Nollywood has registered its interest to partner with Zambia in producing a movie that will showcase Zambia's tourism. And this movie will feature the best of Zambia's talent and the best of Nigeria's talent.
Mr. Chileshe said the achievements reflect government's commitment to creating opportunities for young people and positioning youth, sports and the arts as key drivers of Zambia's economic growth and national development. Earlier, the ministry signed a memorandum of understanding with Luangwa Skills Training Center to strengthen skills training and create more opportunities for young people in Luangwa district.
Appreciates the invaluable contribution of the Luangwa Child Development Agency, Child Fund Zambia, and the government and the people of New Zealand for their unwavering commitment to youth development.
This is more than a formality. It is a commitment to ensure that the investment we have made together continues to deliver value to the people of Luangwa, particularly its young people.
Babuhi baluna likandelale liko ninkulu fitsa kwa mafelelezo atukse aluna lukai kupuza hape litoho zepanga makande. Bulozi TV ikalisize LITUTO za bubuhi mwa makande. MBANGWETA BAKUPILE LIPATISISO KUAMANA ni MIFILIFILI YEBILE TENI LUAMPA. MUNDUBILE BAITAMA KUFA LIKUTE TUNA MANDUNA LILALO. Luitumezi mwakona kubuhatu kusoye nilitukusuza luna kaufela fa TopStar channel 120 ili mwali bakaza Mongo ni Mulunga na Lolo Lusaka Chongwe Chiranga libakaze mu Masenanga Kalabo Rufusa Mane nilibaka zenzi mabapa kapamokona kulufumana afanike pelaluna la Facebook ili la Bulozi TV fapila bomanjinela tina Mike Moya minili kozo.